Built his business at $800,000 in revenue while still having his job at SpaceX. So over the next 30 days, you're going to see how we build businesses from scratch and be ready to launch in less than a month. We're going to go through how to choose your niche, your business formation, your website creation, your online booking and scheduling, everything you need to build a multi-million-dollar business and hit the ground running. Hey, what's up? My name is Rohan. And in this video, I want to tell you how in a few short years, I made over $20 million online building remote home service businesses. That's right, lawn care companies, cleaning companies, that type of thing. Completely remote from my laptop. So we're living in a golden era of wealth building online, and I'm going to show you one of the surest, most predictable paths to get there. I figured this out after trying everything from drop shipping to selling t-shirts to building a dating site to running an advertising agency. I tried everything, and this is the thing that worked, that allowed me to quit my job and change my life and my family's life forever. I went on to share my secrets on Reddit and Facebook and Twitter, and a bunch of those people built multi-million-dollar businesses as well. It's been a crazy journey. So having overcome those challenges and making millions of dollars doing this, and then helping countless people make millions of dollars themselves, I poured all of this experience and community and all the secrets that I learned along the way into our home services bootcamp. We're going to go through step by step and show you all the sources of leads, how we're able to build these businesses to 6 and 7 figures so quickly, and everything will be completely transparent and it will make sense by the end of the 30 days. And we keep going like this for 30 days. So every single day we work on a particular problem, we solve it, we move on to the next thing. We solve that, we move on to the next thing. By the end of this month, you will have a business that is ready to go, ready to launch, and ready to take on your first customer. Here's Elena. She did over $600,000 in her first 18 months of business while still being a lawyer. Completely different. And here's one of my buddies quitting his SpaceX job after he hit the $800,000 mark. So he built his business at $800,000 in revenue while still having his job at SpaceX. So over the next 30 days, you're going to see how we build businesses from scratch and be ready to launch in less than a month. We're going to go through how to choose your niche, your business formation, your website creation, your online booking and scheduling, everything you need to build a multi-million-dollar business and hit the ground running.
Hi, I'm Dara, and this is 27 weeks to building a real-life local business. No masterminds, no expensive coaching, no books to read or business plans to write, just action. For the next 27 days, you will watch us take steps to build our next million-dollar local business. As I mentioned before, I'm Dara. Exactly 1 year ago, I graduated from a prestigious accelerator, failed to raise any money for my startup, and wound up surfing the internet looking for my next idea. And that's how I came upon this case study on Reddit. The case study detailed building a local business in 27 days. The author, Rohan Gilks, aka Local Case Study, started his company while working a full-time job, grew it to $1 million business in 2 years, inspired thousands of people to start their own business, ended up becoming one of the most read posts on Reddit, launched software to help these business owners run their business, and grew a Facebook group to almost 7,000 like-minded entrepreneurs while creating a few millionaires in the process. To make a long story short, after working with Rohan on a few other projects, we decided to work together to start another local million-dollar business and detail every step we are taking to build it. Rohan will guide me through the same process he took to grow Maids in Black, and we will share daily videos on steps, progress, and everything we do to build the next million-dollar local business. I'm starting a cleaning company, but you can apply this model, what we call the Launch 27 model, to any local service. This will be all about transparency. Every step we take will be detailed. If you choose to take action, you will always have a blueprint to follow to build your business like we are building ours. A running tally of every penny we spend to build the business will appear here. And every booking we get, and our monthly recurring revenue and total revenue to date will appear here. Our team. This is Chris. He'll be filming our journey, running customer service and social media. I'll be handling the day-to-day operations, setup, and growth. And of course, Rohan.
to make my own life decisions. And that's when I started going full force into figuring out how to make money online.
He will guide us through the process, give us actionable advice, and help us build systems essential to building a successful local business. Each week, you will get a wrap-up and steps we took the week prior and what we'll be doing next week. We will also give you daily updates so you can take action with us in real time. So that's it. Now it's time to get started. Follow along with us at localcasestudy.com, where you will find tools, case studies, and everything else you need to take action on starting a local business. Excited to grow a business with y'all.